Hey, my beautiful people, hope you're all doing well. You are welcome back again to BG's Airwaves TV, your number one channel of choice when it comes to black women hairstyles. Looking to slay with a fresh new look, this video case showcases stunning short hairstyles for my black beautiful women, from tapered cuts to coil pixies, slick bobs, and edgy fades. Whether you are embracing your natural hair or going for a bold new chop, these styles are perfect for confidence and beauty in every coil and shot. Short hair doesn't mean limited options. Watch this video for creative, classy, and trendy short hairstyles ideas that suit every face shape, vibe, and occasion. In this very video, you get to see stylish short cuts for natural and relaxed hair. Hair inspiration for everyday and special events. Short hairstyles that celebrates black beauty. Yes, black beauty. Hairstyles, styling tips, and hair care ideas. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy this video from the beginning to the end, and you will not regret you did. All props and credits in this video goes to all the creative hairstylists who put all this together and give us the opportunity to showcase all the styles to the rest of the world. Kudos to them. Enjoy it, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for week and beauty content from BJ's Airwaves TV. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.